What we discussed is that there is already a Mahatma Jyotiba Phule scheme in place. So now we are implementing that scheme. Now I just want all of you to know exactly what we have done. We have been firm and we will continue to be firm on our stand as far as we are charging. We basically don't want any money from any government to be kept with us, because that is not practically, that's not on. So what we did is, after having the discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, who was kind enough to in my presence speak to Mr. Parimal Singh, who is heading this whole insurance program. The TPA that is handling Goa insurance is paramount, and the TPA that is they have got 3-4 TPAs. The TPA that is handling Sindhudurg is also paramount. So by Monday, Paramount will ensure that Arogya Mitra counter is started at Goa Medical College. Dr. Bandekar is here, that's why I had called him. Sindhudurg people will go to that counter and they will register themselves there, and accordingly we are waiting for that letter to be issued from the society. Chief Minister has already called for the file, Chief Minister of Maharashtra. They just need a letter. The TPA requires a letter from that society or that whatever that setup they have got in Maharashtra, and they'll immediately start reimbursing all the cases. Now what we suggested is that we just want Goa Medical College to be empaneled. I have gone through all the rates of the insurance scheme of the Mahatma Jyotiba Phule scheme. They have got several packages, more than 1200 packages. In 1200 packages they have got, but what is relevant to us, I have checked the rates and they are quite okay. It is more than the rate that we are charging of this 10 and 12, 20% of the C class categories. So that is much more. Angioplasty खातीर 1.5 lakh आणि कित्या खातीर कसले, तो तशें तेंचे पॅकेज जे आहा, that package is good enough for us, because in fact I wanted the media to know and people of Goa to know that this is a win-win situation for both, for Goa as well as for Maharashtra. Now there was a vested interest, some political fellows got involved, as a result of which there became a big agitation there. They have got different types of ration cards in Maharashtra, yellow, orange and white. So the people who are insured are orange ration card holders and yellow ration card holders. So they have to come to that Arogya Mitra center. So that modality will work out by Monday. Monday I am having a meeting with the TPA head of Paramount, Mr. Nayan Shah, Dr. Bandekar, myself, Director Health Services, Dr. Rajdanda Desai. And we will put the modality in place. So once they register, they will verify all the documents and then they'll push it to the counter. So through this system, we are talking only of Sindhudurg. Through this system, through this insurance scheme, we will recover all our money back as far as the state government is concerned. In January, February, collection in Goa Medical College itself was 1 crore 26 lakhs. Now suppose we had to go by this insurance scheme, perhaps it would be much more. It may have been close to 2 crores also. So our revenue is not coming down. In fact, we have got into the arrangement with the Maharashtra government. Same TPA is managing, so our revenue should increase. Same time, सिंधुदुर्गच्या लोकांना गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजची सेवा त्यांना मुफ्त मिळणार, जे कोण ऑरेंज अँड येलो कार्ड होल्डर आहेत त्यांना इन्शुरन्स स्कीमच्या माध्यमातून. आणि त्याच्यासाठी त्यांची TPA ज्या तरेन we have got a counter at KLE, DDSSY counter at KLE. Same way they will have a counter at Goa Medical College. That's the only difference. कर्नाटका सरकार भरपूर श्रीमंत सरकार आहे, त्यांना बी तसेच करून दिना किती आहे ते अरेंजमेंट.
ओके. आणि महाराष्ट्रात जे उरलेले रिजन आहे त्यांच्या भितर
काय चडसो भार येता, आणि भार जो येता तो फक्त सिंधुदुर्गचो विषय हा. आम्ही फक्त सिंधुदुर्गचो सध्या सॉल्व करूया. आता कोण तरी बिहारचो आयलो आणि आमचो संबंध ना, ताका भरून दी. अँड फॉरेनराक सोमारा मिटींग आपय म्हणून सांगला डॉक्टराक, आम्ही 100% चार्ज करतले.